fish, and he will live for a day. But teach a man how to fish, and he will live for a lifetime. Good evening, everyone, from the Society of the Homosexual Virgins who hails at Far Eastern University. I am 19-year-old junior student taking a Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in management. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the bride of Ilocosur who hails at Dasmariñas, Cavite. I'm your super Serena, Queen of Tourism. My name is May Andrada, but tonight allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, the gorgeous, the most beautiful. I'm your #1 sexiest women in the Philippines. Your one and only Fountain Queen, Marian Rivera. Dahil nagsasabing, ang lalaking hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan, tiyak natulala sa aking kagandahan. Maraming salamat po.
Taas pa si Maria at si Tapi.
A blessed evening to everyone. A great young lady is standing in the front. My name is Chelsea Monroe, a 16 years of age from Molino Tubo, Cavite, taking mass communication, major in journalism at University of the Philippines, Diliman campus. And tonight, please allow me to stand by the name. Ang babae ng isang kumembot kay hidin ko, Miss Maritan Reyes. At bago ko lisanin ang itablagan ito, ako ay mag-iwan ng isang kataga. Kung ang mga lalaki ay nagsusuot ng brief, at ang mga babae ay nagsusuot ng panty, kaming mga bakla ay nagsusuot ng tipang. Sapagkat ang aming malaking tea ay laging nasa bag. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.